sir, man. Good morning, beautiful people. This is a little different type of video. Oh, this house is nice. Like they got a house just right.
Niggas hate it, I'm riding, yeah. Diamonds on me, they shining, yeah.
Now I am in somebody's backyard because it's like it's connected.
Working on my own, so it's fucking hand out. Where the fuck was y'all when I was saying man down? If you wasn't riding with me, bitch, you dead now. I'ma get this bag all by myself and head out. Solid young nigga, I been thugging from the start. Seen a lot of shit, so I grew up without a heart. I put all my feelings in these motherfucking bars. If it's fuck you, then it's fuck you, my niggas ready for war. I been staying low and I been trying to be at ease. Trying to be in peace, but these niggas won't let it be.
Riding when
Wanna start some shit while I'm chillin', don't fuck with me. But if you want them static, them bullets say RP.
yeah,
Don't
man,
give a
another
fuck
little
how you
enjoyable
feelin',
vlog.
don't be talking
Hope all is well. Hope everybody's doing good. Yes, sir, man. Good morning, beautiful people. This is a little different type of video. Still gonna have our daily jacuzzi talk, but that's gonna be a little later. I just want to say a few things. We on a different trail, clearly. You know what I'm saying? In the nature. But I hope all y'all having a blessed day. I hope God watching over you and your family, man. Hope everything's going great for you, man. For real. Staying positive, you know, keeping a good mentality about situations and things that you're going through, man. And staying strong, for real. And I appreciate all the love and support. I'll just be on the lookout for the vlog, man. We gone. Word is bond. Yes, sir. Just tap y'all boys back in. Hope everything's going good. Oh, snap. This is somebody's backyard. I don't want them to shoot my black ass. So we're just going to go around. But yeah, we outside of nature. As y'all can see. On a different trail. We just really just in the woods. Oh, this house is nice. Like they got a house just right here, big as hell. All this nature is around. It's pretty cool. They got. I like when I see stuff like this. So you know they've been chopping down trees, and they've been putting all their firewood for the winter right there. It's pretty sweet. But yeah, let's keep going, man. I'll turn y'all back on in a little while. This rock. It's pretty cool. We love you, Grace, the queen of the house, 2004-2023. We love you. Bree, 2006-2023. The little black spot on my Bree today. I like that. We got some more over here. Bambi, 2006-2018. Bama Bam Bam. Best black cat ever. Bambi. Bama, 2006. This is sweet as fuck, bro. They got a cat engraved into a rock, dude. Rest in peace to Bambi. And then we got Penny. We love you, Pen. 1985 to 2004. Damn. And we got Frolic, 2010 to 2016. Love you, girl. You see how the heart is carved in. That's sweet. Then we got We Love You, Lulu, 2006-2021. So shout out to all them. This is nice. All right, so we made it to another area. It looked really nice over here. I'm not gonna cap. I'm about to definitely get a cinematic while I'm over here. Got little bird houses, bird food. It's pretty sweet. I am in somebody's backyard because it's like it's connected to the stream. And this is fucking sweet. Like, I want a house like this. Oh man, they got rocks and shit right here. You can see the little guardian angel. Oh man. Look. Yeah, this is sweet, man. All right, fellas, ladies and gentlemen, we got another Detroit Institute of Arts portrait right here. Let's read. Autumn, 1893, Dwight William Trayon, American, 1849-1925. While painting Autumn in 1893, Dwight W. Trayon, however you say it, wrote Charles L. to send a sample of the gold fabric lining the walls of the music room in the home, the Hector family. Trayon's goal was to harmonize his painting with both the interior of the home and Thomas Dewing Summer, which was the Trayon studio, as he worked. When the three completed the painting and arrived in Detroit, Free had them installed as a surprise. Had them installed as a surprise while the Hectors were away on vacation. Free congratulated Trayon, writing when he I messed that up. Free congratulated Trayon, writing, quote, "When you see them in place, you will be perfectly satisfied with the general harmony of the effect. This triptych, I don't know how to say that word, was I don't even know how to say that. I'm probably sound dumb as fuck reading. But anyway, by Hector in 1927 to the DIA and is on a view in the American wing. See the real work of the art and many more at your DIA. Inside Out program brings high quality reproductions of artwork from the DIA's collection to outdoor venues throughout Macomb, Oakland County, and Wayne counties. Sweet. Check it out. I know my reading was a little off. I'm about to brush up on that. Can't be out here talking stupid. But anyway, I'm about to continue on, man. We gotta get up out of here. Word is mine. Yeah, man, another little enjoyable vlog. Hope all is well. Hope everybody doing good, man. We about to check this range out. Let's do it. Ready, fire! 1, 2, 3, let's get it. Woo! Hey, man, I got a little aim on me. Now that I'm getting the hang of it, I got a little aim. One, two, three. Getting the hang of it. Getting smoked. Man, I'm good. Y'all see that, bro? I got aim. I was bullshitting. I got aim. I know y'all seen that. I'm gonna waste this whole box. I'm tripping. I like this. All right, so yeah, man, I'm going crazy right now. I'm gonna turn y'all niggas back on in a little while. We gone. Where's